that's what it is. So I just feed the wire through the pre-cut old that I cut before. Good focus. Then I just stick the wires in there and pull the way in. Doesn't matter which one you use, I presume. Just put it like that. I think this bit needs to take off these extra bits around it, bulging it out. Then I don't think there's any special way to put it in. I guess just any way you can put it in. I'm thinking. So one there. Wires. Should come down like that. So I don't know how I'm gonna get the wires into the van, but it's gonna have to, some way, somehow. Maybe I'm gonna patch the floor, I don't know. So that's another one. That's another one up there. So now I got all the wires through. So I got parking sensor 1, or you want to say A, B, C, and D. So these are the wires. So now, how can I get these wires in there? So I don't know, maybe through here. I don't know. Or maybe I'm gonna have to take this off. Maybe. I don't think so. Take this out. Yeah, first let me take this off.